Class, so I'm making this video to show you how to move a character up, down, left, and right with the keys on your keyboard. So to start, we need to make a character. I'm gonna pick a dog. Yeah, we'll have this corgi over here. And we'll set the name to corgi, and then we make it on the screen using our purple block and our red block from sprites. We'll keep the sprite name as sprite, and we'll set it to corgi. And once we draw the sprites, there it is on the screen. Now, in order to make anything move on the screen, we need the draw block. So let's put that here. Now, we do not need to put the purple block and the red block inside the draw block. We just need to drag the yellow block and then put a background, which we're just going to keep white. So that should look exactly the same. Now, next step is you want the dog to do something when you press the up key, right? Because that's how you move it up. So our first step is going to be if, and then you find the mouse control and keyboard control under world. If key down is up, we want the dog to move up, right? Now up and down, that's not going to be X, that is going to be Y. And oddly enough, if you look at the screen, going up is actually lowering Y, if we see that right there. Okay, so in order to lower Y, we need to make it so that sprite.y is equal to sprite.y minus, and it can be anything, but let's do -2. And if we now run that, it goes up. And again, to go up is minus. Another common mistake would just be to put sprite.y is equal to -2. That doesn't work. That just kind of shoots it to there, and then you can't move it anymore. So make sure it is not just -2, but it is sprite.y and then minus whatever you want to minus. And there we go. Okay. Now, in order to make it move down, you want to make the exact same if loop, except the key down is going to be down. And then since it's moving in the opposite direction, right? Because down is opposite to up, you want to have it be, instead of -2, sprite.y +2. And if we run this, I'm going to press down, it is now moving like that. Pretty cool, right? Now, some of you will probably have already worked out how to move left and right, but I'll show you guys anyways. So left, and we're going to put key down left. In order to move left, that is going to be minusing X, right? Because the more you add to X, the further across you go to the right. So we're going to go do sprite.x equal to sprite.x -2. If we run that over here, it works. And to make it go right, it's going to be the exact same thing, but the opposite. And while I think you all know this at this point, I'll just demonstrate. And right. Perfect. And sprite.x. And there you have it. That is how you animate something to move as you press the keys.